Okay, so this is the H2 V2S Revo by BIQU, also Big Tree Tech company. It's the latest one. Now I decided to do a video on this, unboxing, and what I mainly want to do in this video is to take this apart and show everyone what's inside, because I'm interested to know this as well. So there's the box again. I have opened this, but I haven't taken it apart yet, so what you're seeing is what I've got. Right, you get your manual, tells you some dimensions and things. You can find this online anyway, so that's nothing that I need to show. Nice case, nice box, very fancy looking. I was quite surprised how small this is. I knew that it would be smaller than a NEMA 17 motor. This is apparently a NEMA 14. I think it's a proprietary motor for the company. There's the numbers. I'll read them out as well if I can. No, I can't read them out. Right, anyway, let's move the box out of the way. Start taking it apart. So, where do we start? I think we'll start this end, because usually that's where you do start. Right, find something to undo this with. No, I thought it was going to be too big. So this one's that. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Don't know how far these are supposed to come out, but we shall find out. See. Okay. I guess they're right the way through, obviously. Okay. Open position. Carefully take this apart. Okay, so the screws out. Well, first thing I notice is this is obviously the tensioning setup, and where your filament goes in is here. You flick that and then it locks it. Flick it that way, it unlocks it. Seems to be a big gap there for the filament. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. Hopefully not. I wouldn't have thought so. Looks like there's a heatsink here for the top end of the nozzle, which I guess that's useful. Now on the other side there's a series of cogs. Obviously that one would be going onto the filament, and yeah, little bearing there. Looks quite good quality. Obviously they've taken some metal out to save some weight, and this looks very proprietary. It doesn't look like anything standard like you get on NEMA 17 type setup. Another bearing there, induction gear. There's bearings in here. And I'm told on the original H2S that the holes for these bearings were slightly too large. Now they appear like they don't want to move in here, which is good because that's what you want. Now I don't know if there's anything under here now, but I'll undo these screws to see if there's anything under here, but I don't expect to see much. Right, there. Yeah, nothing much expected. This isn't held on with a grub screw. It is actually part of the shaft by the looks of it. It looks like it's probably pressed on there, so it's a press fit and it should never move, or you would think so anyway. But I mean, look how small it is. Let's get some calipers, measure the thing. 22 millimeters thick. I mean, this is standard 35 square and NEMA 14. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The nozzles, everyone's seen the nozzles. You can just pull them out easy, so I'm not going to bother doing that. I did notice in the top of the nozzle, it's very tight. It's unlike anything else I've ever seen, so it's all proprietary. Hopefully it lasts quite a while because they're not exactly cheap. The heatsink and everything else seems okay. You get your accessories in the box, which I'm probably not going to open much because I don't want to take everything out, but just quickly, you got your fan guard, you got some Allen keys or X keys, whatever you want to call them, you got your wires for your thermostat and your heater block as well, and that's pretty much it really. So yeah, that's the H2 V2S Revo taken to bits so you can see what's inside. The only other things I think worthy of note is these holes here. I just wanted to see how they come. They go right the way through. All the holes all the way around go right the way through. I was wondering that if they did go right the way through, although some of that one there is actually blocked, so that one doesn't go. Well, it's right the way through, but it's a piece of metal in the way, so you won't get the screw to go in there. So I guess it probably has, yes, it has to go in a certain location, so yeah, okay, well that's it.